Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook ginseng root. Start by selecting firm roots and washing them thoroughly, then peel and slice thinly for even cooking. Use a sharp knife and steady hand. Keep slices uniform to avoid overcooking small pieces and undercooking large ones. Work on a clean board and pat pieces dry before moving to the stove or slow cooker to preserve aroma and nutrients. For a straightforward method, simmer ginseng slices in low-sodium broth with a dash of soy or sesame oil for 30 to 40 minutes until tender. Keep heat low to release gentle herbal notes without bitterness. Taste early and adjust seasoning with salt or a touch of honey if needed. Serve hot in small bowls to maintain aroma, or use the infused broth as a base for chicken or vegetarian soups for added depth. Serve cooked ginseng sparingly to let its subtle, bittersweet character shine, alongside mild proteins like chicken or firm tofu. Use slices as a garnish, or mix them into broths and congee for a gentle herbal boost. Reheat gently to avoid toughening fibers and keep texture pleasant. Leftovers will keep in the fridge up to 3 days. Consider slicing before storing so pieces warm evenly when you reheat them for a quick, restorative bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.